you get the trophy?
Yep.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Hey.
Woohoo! 839, 177. We got chicken dinner tonight, boys.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Welcome back to D-Loney V8 Motorsports. We are here with the 2025 West Coast Shootout Real Street winning car. West Coast Shootout 2025 final round 10-0 class. This car right here. Yeah. And that race is coming up April 4th, Saturday, April 4th. There's a bunch of classes rolling out. You see them on Facebook. And it's going to be a big event. I can tell you the shifter class is filling up.
Yeah.
What are we going to have for Real Street competitors?
I don't know. Maybe we'll get Brett in that class this year.
10-0s?
Yeah.
Well, he's 100th behind you.
Either that or he's going to run brackets. Are you going to run brackets?
1,000.
You run brackets or Real Street this year?
I'll run Real Street this year.
Okay. All right.
All right, so
This
we're
should
going to
be
have at least a couple old Chevys in that class. Bring your car out. 10-0 is the index for that class.
Yeah, Chewy puts on a good race. It's always a good time. So.
And this year, tacos. I was told tacos.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Tacos are back.
Yes.
So
Woodburn Drag Strip, Saturday, April 4th. It's going to be one of the first big races of the year. Be there or be square. It's
Yep.
going to be a good time.
right on.
Cheers. Look at this car I built. Scott Fink, a permanent member of the Burns Brothers Performance Car Storage Society.
I'm really proud of him.
Not a hack.
Yeah.
Not a hack.
Yes, he has skills.
Just so you know, you're probably going to see this for another 365 days, Dave.
Oh yeah.
Every time we go somewhere,
Yep.
you'll be sitting on the
Gonna
dash
share.
of the motorhome.
Oh, the plaque.
Yeah.